If you are not at least getting 200 clicks a day and those clicks turning into $100 to $200 per day on autopilot, we've got to talk. You got the funnel builder, you got your autoresponder, but you don't have traffic. You know how the gurus create traffic software, right? And it's supposed to work in seconds with 3 clicks? Well, I don't even think that my solution even requires clicks, because it's a matter of copying, pasting your affiliate link into a form, you getting traffic, and it doesn't require a mouse. I'm serious. Every student of mine has a website. They have more tools than they know what to do with. Probably you too, right? Everything works fine, but I think you'd agree that you don't have any traffic. What good is your funnel builder if you can't advertise your pages? You set up your website. You're gonna build a list, right? The money's in the list. Where's the list? Where's the traffic? Meanwhile, you see this guy in the purple room making millions of dollars online. You're like, what the heck is going on here? Like, is it me or something? And you start to second guess yourself. In the comments on YouTube, I see the pain. So I'm gonna give you my traffic. That's right, everyone. I am going to plug in my traffic stream into your affiliate link. That's right. Or the other way around, because you're actually gonna fill out a form and you copy and paste your affiliate link into there, and my traffic rotates to you. I'm gonna explain more on it in a bit, but this is just bonkers. If this isn't like mind-blowing, this video for the next 3 minutes, you can ream me out on YouTube. Use my traffic. And I'm not just talking about you buying a solo ad from me. I don't even sell solo ads. I'm talking about you plugging in your affiliate link into my traffic streams and finally get you conversions and commissions. I know, right about now, you're probably saying, really? Well, in a minute right now, I'm gonna explain in detail how I am actually doing this with my students and sending traffic at them. And don't worry, I will explain all of this. But look at this. Look at this super newbie, hardly do anything, automatic commission generating Warrior Plus account. I mean, look at the clicks, $200, $300 a day, and then up to $423 in commissions from this traffic. See your funnel builders? Awesome. You want to be a badass affiliate marketer? Hell yeah. But you got 2 problems. Number 1, no traffic. And then number 2, if you do get traffic, it's not converting. And you know why? For one reason. You need real branded targeted traffic from an established person. And you need it now. So you can plug in your affiliate link into my traffic I personally generated. Yes, traffic generated by an actual super affiliate that you can plug your affiliate link into. It's already running. And you'll never need to worry about traffic again, and this is the last thing that you will really, really need. Yep, I'm going to give you my own traffic, and all you need to do is plug your affiliate link in. Look at this consistency, baby. That's right. And this is a beta tester account. My own affiliate accounts, they're in the tens of thousands per day, because I got mailings that go out to huge lists. You know how it goes. This account right here, it isn't mine. This is a newbie, a technically challenged drunk leper newbie. See right here on April 21st, 212 clicks and $293 in commissions. April 20th, 382 clicks and $239 in commissions. And then April 19th, 259 clicks and $423 in commissions. And it goes on and on, all the way down the page. And let's hear from one of my beta testers right now.
I inserted the link and I just typed in the link, and within 1 day I made a bit of money. So your method was really good. Like it really did work, and I made a bit of money. So I was
yes!
Really happy. Yeah, I was really happy.
Now this traffic is in the IM niche. But Alan, he had a weight loss offer. So this traffic is BizOp and IM, but it's so good that it converted for Alan on his first day? That's right. All right, so let me explain the details of how this works. I've got my traffic from my links on my YouTube videos, expired domains, YouTube ads, Facebook groups, Facebook fan pages, messenger bots, expired domain names, my own marketplaces. And see, after 6 years, all of these things add up, and it sure has compounded. So after spending a lot of time with my students, I created a software that would split traffic evenly and divide it amongst all of my students who inserted their link. And see, with these beta tests that I've been showing you, This is just a small fraction of my traffic. Only a small percentage of my total clicks being rotated and divided to a dozen or so beta testers, making them $100 to $300 per day each. And the traffic streams are never ending. See, the traffic and advertisements, they run too deep for it to turn off. So look, I'll be honest with you. Now it is your turn to get a piece of this pie. Remember, this is targeted traffic. It's proven to convert, so you can kick back on the beach with a margarita in hand. That's right, traffic that can convert real sales. So you can get your first sales, and we can hang out together. I'm lonely. So I would like to introduce to you what I call wormhole, because in the universe, you can get from A to B very quickly by dividing the space-time continuum. And that's a great metaphor for this, because this is the ultimate shortcut and hidden weapon for insane conversion rates. And the best part, no one has this yet. This means that you'll be the first to be an extension of my super affiliate body and rock my traffic. And you'll never have to buy a solo ad again. You'll never have to buy PPC or Google ads. You just copy and paste your affiliate link or sales link into the form in the members area and watch the traffic flow. You can see results without working day and night posting content or coming up with advertisements or spending an arm and a leg on traffic. The traffic is ever flowing, so you only pay once and then you get an unlimited amount of traffic. Now, how do I know that this will work for you? Well, my beta tester group plugged the traffic in and the results poured in like Niagara Falls, to be honest with you. Wormhole has literally blown away every beta tester that has tried it. Nowhere else on the planet are any successful super affiliates giving away his or her traffic. It's only happening here. And the most incredible part about it is that it won't cost you any more than a pack of smokes to get unlimited access to all of this traffic. All you have to do is, number one, plug your affiliate link in. Number two, start getting clicks. And then number three, profit. But hey, send me a testimonial, huh? Let me know about that. It is time for you to complete what you started and finish the race. Siphon my traffic with your affiliate link instead of my affiliate link. And instead of me encouraging you to watch a tutorial video or learn how to get traffic, you can just skip all that and just plug and play. That's right, tap into my traffic from anywhere, no matter if you are on the side of the road somewhere in Argentina without a phone or a tablet. It is so simple. You can take a 5-year-old, show them how to copy and paste, and there's traffic and commissions. This is easy as heck. See, this is the one thing and the last thing that you need to finally see your online business start to function. This is the ultimate missing piece. And the truth is, you're almost there. It would be a tragedy for you to have traveled so far only to stop now. All right, so I urge you to jump in. I mean, if it were a matter of you having to hike another mountain or something, I would understand, but you've already done that. You just got a little bit more to go, and then bam! Unlimited traffic. This is the final step that is done for you. I don't even need to persuade you. I think you know what to do. Click on the button below, see if we're sold out, and if not, make sure to get in now. You have to make sure to hurry because this is just a launch week special, okay? We just launched, and so this is the lowest one-time cost ever, and you can't lose with our 365-day money-back guarantee. You get results, or you get $250. We're actually giving you $250 if you don't get results. So pick it up for less than a cheeseburger meal. And I mean, you could lose everything if you delay. And I'm not kidding, because no guru in their right mind would ever do this. This is probably the last time you'll ever see an offer like this again. And we might actually sell out to protect the integrity of the product. Get into Wormhole, see results, or you get it for free. You get a full year to try it out, see this traffic flow, or we got you covered with the 365-day unconditional ironclad money-back guarantee. Yep, you'll have a full year to make sure that this is the best investment that you ever made. So if you're unhappy for any reason, you can get a full refund, either by emailing us or through the Retailer Warrior Plus. That's right. All right, so congratulations on finding Wormhole. That's right, and let's go. I'll see you on the other side, and let's get some traffic together.